What's up, Mimi Gang? It's your girl Mimi Icing. Today I'm back with another video for y'all, and today y'all we are back with another wig install video, but this time we're gonna be transforming this wig. 20-inch 4x4 straight closure wig. So at first we're gonna hot comb this. Then I got a little trick up my sleeve. We are gonna be using this hair crimper that I got from Shein. This is like a hair crimping tutorial for beginners if you guys are thinking about crimping your hair. So we are going to be doing that today. I got this from Shein. If you guys are just now starting to like crimp your hair or your wigs or anything, I'll leave this in the link description box below for you guys to check it out. But if you guys are interested in this tutorial, please keep on watching. So as you guys can see, we do have to prep our natural hair for this wig. So I'm gonna be moisturizing it with the Mael Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I've been seeing reviews on this a lot if you want to like grow your hair out, and I started using this like at least like 2 weeks ago, and ever since I started using it, I have been feeling my hair, you know, get a little thicker. So I think it is working for me. So I'm just gonna put this in front of my scalp, and then I'll put it on the side parts, then the edges.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night, Every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother, even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
Ooh, you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's
Alright guys, now that I finished hot combing and waxing my hair, I'm just gonna plug the hair crimping in and give it time to heat up. I don't know if I'm gonna do 180 or 210. You know, maybe I'll just do 210 because I am on a schedule right now.
summer turned into fall. See, it's funny cause I never thought this would end, but then the season changed.
You were my, you were my, you were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything to make you happy, baby. Oh yeah. That's right.
And I will turn into a butterfly. I will spread my wings and fly. Whoa. And I'm too fly for the shit. Oh, I am Japanese. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I know it looks a little different on the two sides because like I said, I am on a schedule right now. I have some homework I have to do at the last minute. But anyway, this is the finished look and I am actually really liking the difference. And you guys see I put the lashes and gloss on for a little bit of pop. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And love you, me gang. Stay blessed.
Role play, you can have it your way.